In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install BuddyPress business profile and set up business accounts for your community members in just a few minutes. First, log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Go to Plugins, then click Add New. Click Upload Plugin at the top. Choose the BuddyPress business profile zip file and click Install Now. Once the plugin is installed, click Activate. That's it, the plugin is now installed. Let's make sure everything is configured correctly. BuddyPress business profile requires BuddyPress to be installed and active. If BuddyPress is already running on your site, you're good to go. After activation, you'll see the BP business profile welcome screen. This helps you understand the core features and guides you to the main settings areas. Now let's configure the plugin. From the general settings, you control how business profiles work site-wide. Choose who can create business profiles, admins only, selected roles, or all members. These settings control how business profiles integrate with BuddyPress components. Save your changes before moving on. Next, configure what appears inside a business profile. You can manage business information like company details, descriptions, contact info, and more. You can also enable or disable tabs such as Overview, Reviews, or additional sections. BP Business Profile also supports reviews. Admins can define review criteria and control how ratings work. You can also enable map support to display business locations. Here's how a business profile looks on the front end. Members get a professional business page inside your BuddyPress community, complete with details, tabs, and optional reviews. This makes your community feel more like a professional network or marketplace. And that's it, you've successfully installed BP Business Profile and configured business profiles for your community. Explore the documentation to unlock advanced customization options. Thanks for watching.